Now we're going to design the rack end ball socket. Okay, so first we have to measure this hole. So the diameter is 12 mm. So you can open your part. Okay, and then sketch on front plane. Sketch. So we're going to make a circle. Alright. So smart dimension. It should be 12 mm. And then we extrude. Features extrude. So we extrude by 25. Okay, we reverse, check. Alright, we sketch on this space, sketch, convert entity, and then we go features and we use helix. So on helix, we're going to use a pitch of 1 millimeter. Okay, so we continue the rotation. Alright, so check. Now on the top plane, we're going to sketch the shape of the thread. So normal 2. Okay, sketch. We draw a line. Make sure that it touches the spline. Okay, sketch. Then we make center line. Alright, and then we make the profile of the thread. Okay, and then we mirror this line and this line. Mirror about this line. So check. So make sure that all are close. Okay, so now we can go features and make the sweep boss. So we're going to use this sketch and this profile. So we check if it is okay. Now it is okay. The thread tip is too thick, so just click check. And then we go edit the sketch and we put dimension. So smart dimension, this line, we make it 5. Okay, 7.7. Enter. We make this one smaller, so 0.2. And then this and this one, we make it 0.5. Alright, so check and then close the sketch. So this is now our thread. So we can cut this edge, we can temper it. So it's the same thing, sketch on top plane, normal 2, sketch. We follow the profile of the thread, the angle to cut. So we cut. Okay. We make one triangle sketch. Make sure it is close. And then we draw a center line. And then we make a revolve cut. So revolve cut. Check. Alright, so this is now our thread. Okay. So on the other end of the thread, we can chamfer this edge, chamfer. Okay, we can increase All right, check. So the thread is done. Now we're going to make the housing of the ball socket. So we go on steel top plane, sketch, normal 2. We're going to draw, we use this center rectangle. All right, so let's put dimension. So dimension, let's say this 125. Okay, so this one also 25. All right, so it's 25 by 25, and then I want this middle, escape, escape, escape. I want this middle to be exactly on, should be on vertical line. All right, so now we can now extrude features, extrude. We make it a cube, so therefore should be also 25, and we use mid plane. Okay, check. All right, so on the same top plane we sketch a circle. We find the center. All right, so smart dimension, we want this one to be 20 or 18 mm, and then I want this one to be exactly 12.5. Okay, enter. And then I want also this one to be exactly here, 12.5. So I put exactly on the middle and close the sketch. We made it. We make a half. Alright, and then we trim one side, and then features we use revolve cut. So we use this one to cut. Okay. Alright, so it's already cut inside. So from this point we sketch normal 2. So we convert entity, sketch, convert entity, select this one, 7. So click and then convert. So it doesn't want, so therefore normal 2. We can sketch close, sketch circle. Okay, we put the dimension of 12 on there, and then features extrude cut. So we are going to cut until to the middle. Check. Well, console. We have to select this contours, this side only. Check. So now it's already cut. Alright, we can now make this space red. By 3, enter this side, this side, this side, this side, and also this side. Okay, so this is now our rack N